All right, so we've got the harness laid out here, and this is exactly the way it came out of the box, all grouped up into groups. Instructions say to go ahead and get a few of these out where we can get to them, know what we got. So that's what I'm going to look at right here. Now with this particular vehicle, I've got an extremely long distance from the front of the truck to the back. Even though it's a short wheelbase vehicle, it actually has a lot of space from the back of the vehicle down to the tail end of the truck. So that may be a new adventure also. We may have to add on some of the wires and some of that were not relevant to being that big a distance between the two. So get in here and see what we got going. But yep, I was really curious about that. One of the nice things about this kit is it is actually labeled all the way down the wires, and so you can just grab any wire in the bundle and look anywhere on it, and there should be a label. And of course, every time you grab one, you expect to find it, you can't find it. This is just beautiful. Here's one that's easy to find. Door lock power. Dimmer power. Number 22, dimmer power. Cigarette lighter. So that's evidently in the cab. So that's a pretty long batch. Here's one electric fuel power. Dome light. They said dome light was on the group that went to the back of the vehicle, because most vehicles will be all in the cab with the tail lights and everything, which would include the dome light and all that. There's left back up. It's kind of fun just to dig through here and see if we can find labels on them. I'm going to take some tape. I'd seen that a lot of people had taken some tape, and when you got these out, you actually went ahead and put a little masking tape around them just to hold them together in their group. So I'm going to grab the tape and do that.